Pattern printing programs. Explained in simple words. What are pattern printing programs? Pattern printing programs are programs that use loops to print text, numbers, or symbols in a structured shape or pattern. In simple words, pattern printing equals creating visual designs with code using loops. These programs are common exercises for learning loops, nested loops, and logic in programming. Why pattern printing programs are useful. Pattern printing helps beginners understand loops and nested loops, practice control flow, improve logical thinking, learn how to structure repetitive tasks. It's often used in programming exercises, interviews, and competitive programming. Common patterns and examples. 1. Right-angled triangle of stars. Rows equals 5. For I in range, 1. Rows plus 1. For j in range, I. Print. Asterisk. End equals. Print. Output. Asterisk. Explanation. Outer loop, I, means controls rows. Inner loop, j, means controls columns, stars. End equals prints on the same line. 2. Inverted right-angled triangle. Rows equals 5. For I in range, rows, 0, minus 1. For j in range, I. Print. Asterisk. End equals. Print. Output. Asterisk. 3. Pyramid pattern. Rows equals 5. For I in range, 1. Rows plus 1. Print. Rows, I. End equals. Hash spaces. Print. Asterisk, I. Hash stars. Output. Asterisk. Explanation. Outer loop means controls rows. Rows, I, means adds spaces for alignment. Asterisk, I means prints stars. 4. Number pyramid. Rows equals 5. For I in range, 1. Rows plus 1. For j in range, 1. I plus 1. Print. J. End equals. Print. Output. 1. 1 2. 1 2 3. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 5. 5. Reverse number pyramid. Rows equals 5. For I in range, rows, 0, minus 1. For j in range, 1. I plus 1. Print. J. End equals. Print. Output. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3. 1 2. 1. Real-life analogy. Pattern printing is like drawing shapes with text instead of a pencil. Stars means dots in your drawing. Numbers means design or grid shapes. Loops means instructions to repeat strokes. This teaches precision, repetition, and logical thinking. Important points about pattern printing programs. Checkmark mostly use nested loops. Checkmark use spaces for alignment. Checkmark can use numbers, symbols, or letters. Checkmark great exercise for beginners to practice logic and loops. Simple definition. Pattern printing programs are programs that use loops to create structured visual designs with symbols, numbers, or text. Final summary. Pattern printing programs help programmers checkmark practice loops and nested loops. Checkmark build logical thinking skills. Checkmark understand control flow in programming. Checkmark visualize data patterns. Without practicing pattern programs, crossmark beginners may struggle with loops and logic. With pattern programs, checkmark loops, nested loops, and logic become easy and fun.